What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video, top camera, close review of that gorgeous locomotive. Here we go. Paragon with actual, I'm calling it right now my own word, uninterrupted power supply modules. Okay, so because the different manufacturer calling them different, and you know, no confusion. This one is Go Pack. Okay, ESU, I know 100% it's power pack. Current Keeper, I think the soundtracks, and TCS Keep Alive. Anyway, it's installed and we tested at running session on my dream layout I'm building right now. Unboxing, I really like it, like videos about it. So, and I'm doing it because somebody messing up, you will be prepared. So the boxes this time is just, this is new to me. We just got it last week. New box, new packaging, so really nice. The nice part of it, especially if you're traveling to the show, like shows with layouts, I will probably not, definitely keeping up original packaging. That's for good for reselling, but that will protect, because so much like small parts, you know, a lot, and you know, those foam crates, I like them, but it's easily, you need to wrap them in that film. Okay, so siding like this, just be careful because they like symmetrical, but it's not going to work like this way, the other way. Okay, so there we go, and the rest of it I'll make a couple of comments right there when I open it. Oh yeah, that film is very nice. This is like special, not just to package some stuff, transparent. Very nice. Okay, and important thing, it always issue with Broadway Limited, those plugs, guys. Okay, so they did great job. They put model, didn't connect the rod. Okay, for I have bigger radius like 34, and I'll definitely put it on the first. Okay, but it's already connected. Okay, the plug connected. Sometimes people coming to our shop and just asking me to plug it in because it's tough. If you have like bigger hands, you know, it's very hard to do it. So put it on the side. There we go. Details just unbelievable, so good. Try my best not show you maximum possible, but here we go. You saw probably closer to when I did it on test stand, though this some material, Brezent in Russian, you know, the shades, so realistic, you know, a little bit weather and it will be just gorgeous. Nice details here, trucks, man, prints, all these details, very nice. Red light in the back, also head means rear light, the full. So one of those kind of disconnected, but no biggie. I just plug it in back and all good. Yeah, machine, steam machine is so good. Details. Very nice. So great job, BLI. Specifically for this purpose, you know, you don't need a plug, very complicated that socket, and also it has a because that thing very fragile. It has a room and it sits like so tight in the box, in that special package. It's not gonna move anywhere. Great details, great job, love it. Thanks guys for supporting business. Thanks for supporting channel. If you want to support channel more, there is like a button, join membership. Let's put it like that, like this. So good. I'll see you soon on the next video on my dream layout. Have a good one. Bye bye.